All right, so what's going on, guys? It's your boy Darius, back at it again with another video. So if you haven't noticed from the thumbnail, I got some new wheels and tires. But not only do I got some wheels and tires, I also have got one of the parts that's going to turn the brute force into Brutus. So I ain't even gonna so this is legit what it looks like, and I am really digging these wheels. They're the MSA 12 wheels, and they're on they're 14s, and they're on a 28-inch Motohavok tires. I think it's 28 by 8, I think. Yeah, 28 by 8.5 by 14. So those hopefully are going to do a lot better than the Mud Lites. Let's hope. Who knows? But that's just the start of it. The other part is right here. I am going to snorkel the four-wheeler. It's official. I'm snorkeling the brute force. I also do have the radiator relocate. I ordered one from Lucky 7. That hasn't come in yet. So they got to custom make that and all that. No, I didn't get a custom emblem. Probably should have, but I just decided to get a stock one. So I got that coming in. I've got another major part that I really need for the air box for the machine. So when that comes in, I'll do a video on that. And also I did, if y'all haven't noticed, I did put the new front bumper on. I put the new front bumper on, and I changed out the winch rope from the wire to the synthetic rope. I do got to get another fair lead because the one I got from Rural King would not fit it. So sadly, I had to put that one back on for right now. I'll probably order that next week. So from the looks of these Motohavoks, I am really, I don't know if I'm gonna need a lift, which I'm probably gonna order one next week anyways. Probably order one next week and get it put on. I'm not gonna put on the Motohavoks until I get it snorkeled, and I should be dropping it off. Well, I say next week, but this video probably end up being when I drop it off. But hopefully by the time this goes up, I've even dropped it off to get snorkeled. And I'm gonna wait a little bit longer just in case the radiator relocate does come in, so I can kind of do all one, do it all at one time. So, but if not, oh well, just do the snorkel, because you know your boy is definitely ready to go play in some water. I've been ready to go play in water pretty much since a couple months after I actually bought the four-wheeler. So I'm really excited about these Motohavoks too. Like, these Motohavoks, they look really good. I know a couple other brute force people, they have them and they said they love them. They're really good. I had a choice between those and the BKTs. Sadly, was not able to get the BKTs. I really wish I could, but whatever. Motohavoks will work. So, I mean, I'm just pretty excited to get this build going. Like, this build has been like almost a year in the making. I'm really excited to get this build going and hurry up and get it done, so I can go play in some mud, play in some water, and not have to worry about everything breaking. Because granted, I mean, we all know the brute force does run hot. If you see my previous videos, just a brute force thing, just brute force thing. Not dude, just brute force thing. So, but I'm so excited to hurry up and get this build done. Please comment down below if you like the name Brutus. I kind of like it. I mean, I really do. I really kind of like it. So, but yeah, I mean, that's it for today. I went and picked up the wheels. Snorkel kit came in. Like I said, I'm still waiting on the thicker airbox gasket, which is what I'm ordering. So it's Outsiders Mudco. It's a thicker airbox gasket, so I'm still waiting on that to come in. I'll put that in. I probably will end up putting a lift on before I put these tires on, because I'm kind of concerned simply at right there. Like, I don't know. And yes, I know this tire is backwards. This is just for demonstration purposes. So I don't know if it's gonna clear without a lift. I mean, they're only 28. One of the guys I talked to has a brute force. He said they should clear, just maybe have to crank the shocks all the way up. Really don't want to crank the shocks all the way up because I'm not trying to have a rough ride. I really enjoy the way this thing rides. But I mean, I'm just really excited about these Motohavoks and the snorkel kit. I mean, of course, if you can tell, I got the Warriorizer snorkel kit. I got that snorkel kit. And I mean, just look at the difference in these tires. I mean, that's a 28 by 8.5 by 14, and this is a 26 by 10 by 12. And then even if you look at the back, just look at that. I mean, just look at the different tread pattern. I'm really hoping that I don't get stuck no more. That's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping I don't get stuck and I ain't got to worry about it. But yeah, it's a little short update video because it's a little short update video on the brute force. I'm getting parts in, I'm ordering parts, and pretty much just want to let y'all know that I am snorkeling the brute force. Hopefully in the next week or so, I have it done and be ready to ride with the Motohavoks, possibly with the lift kit. I don't know. But yeah, just a real short video, give y'all an update on the parts and all that. And the fact that the four-wheeler is now going to be named Brutus. Probably Project Brutus after all this gets done. Because like I said, I'm still waiting on a radiator to relocate. Probably do a lift. I might do different headlights or might do a LED light bar. I don't really know yet. I don't know. So pretty much this is just a video to let y'all know that the four-wheeler is getting snorkeled. New wheels and tires, possibly a lift, and the fact that the four-wheeler is now going to be called Project Brutus. If you know anything about doing projects, you also know that a project is never done. But that's it for today. So I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Peace.